Hi. Today, we will see how to create an image picker in a Flutter Android app. First, we need to install an image picker package. To do that, open the pubspec YAML file. Scroll down until you find the dependencies section. Here, write this line. Then, click the Get Pub button. The package will then install in your app. OK. Now let's see the code. This is the main.dart file. These are the imports. In the main function, we create an app called MyApp. This is the MyApp class that extends the stateless widget. Because of that, the state of all the things that we code in this class cannot be changed. Here, in the build function, we create a material app. Here we define the title, the theme, and the home page of this app. The home page is set to a class called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage class. This class extends the stateful widget. So, the state of all the things that we code in this can be changed later. Here, we create a state called _MyHomePage state. This is the _MyHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. First, we have two data variables. One is an object of the image picker class. And the other one is an image variable in which we will store our picked image. In the build function, we create a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The scaffold widget has two important attributes, the app bar attribute and the body attribute. In the app bar attribute, we create the toolbar of the app. In the body attribute, first, we will have a single child scroll view. We have to use the scroll view because the image that the user is going to pick could be big and may go outside the mobile screen. So we need a scroll view to scroll and see the full image. Inside the scroll view, we have a container widget. Inside the container, we have a column widget. Inside the column widget, we have three things. First, there is an elevated button. A text, pick image, is written on the button. When the button is clicked, we call the pick image function. Then, below the button, we need some space. For that, we are using a sized box widget. And below that, we call a setImage function. This function will load our image. See, this is the pick image function that gets called on the button click. Here, we use the image picker class object and open an image picker on the device. When the user picks an image, that image gets stored in our image variable. And this is the setImage function. Here we check if the image variable is null or not, and then set the image on the screen. Until the image is selected and displayed on the screen, we display this text. OK. Now let's run the app and check the output. See, we have a Pick Image button on the screen. And below that, image will appear here, is written. Let's click the button. See, such an image picker window gets open. All the images from my device are shown here. I can pick any image. See, the image gets loaded on the screen. And while doing so, we did not need to ask for any storage permission from the user. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.